Good morning, student. Today we will focus on carboxylic acids. Yes, after aldehyde and ketone. Next point, carboxylic acid. What are carboxylic acid? Name itself indicates carboxylic acid. They contain carboxyl group in their structure. Single bond COOH. This group is called as carboxyl group. Single bond COOH, carboxyl group. This group is made up of OH group called as hydroxyl group, and another is C double bond group, carbonyl group, as we have seen in aldehyde as well as ketones. Carbonyl group plus hydroxyl group combinedly it is called as carboxyl group. So COOH, single bond COOH, or single bond C double bond O, single bond OH. This is structural representation. So this group is called as carboxyl group. It is made up of two groups, carboxyl and hydroxyl group. That's why name is carboxyl, carbonyl and hydroxyl. Now alkanes से ये बन सकते हैं. How they are obtained from alkanes? So simply H of alkane is replaced by COOH group. That means carboxyl group. That means carboxylic acids are obtained from alkanes. Carboxylic acids are nothing but the carboxyl derivatives of alkane, in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by COOH group. Got it? Hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by COOH group. That time we get carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acids are carboxyl derivatives of alkane, in which hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by COOH group. Now see, representation is R single bond C double bond O single bond OH. Instead of R, suppose H is there, the name is the formic acid. Generally their common names are given from source. Formica is the source, and that's why name is the formic acid. HCOOH, their common names are derived from the source from which they are obtained. Single H single bond COOH. This is the formic acid because it is obtained from formica, meaning is red ant, honeybee, wasp, etc. When they inject in our body, they introduce formic acid. Formula is HCOOH. Second is, instead of R, suppose we are taking CH3 group, methyl group. Then this is called as acetic acid. Acetic acid name is derived from the source acetum, meaning it's vinegar. Vinegar से बनने वाला acetic acid. Vinegar consists of nearly 6 to 8% of acetic acid. So this is the acetic acid. Source is acetum, obtained from acetum, meaning is vinegar. So that's why name is acetic acid. मतलब जो भी name आ रहे हैं, they are obtained from their source, not by number of carbon. Then CH3, CH2, COH. Then after methyl we are taking ethyl group, then COH. Then this is obtained from prop roots. Type of root is prop root, from which they are derived. That's why this is called as propionic acid. Propionic acid obtained from prop root. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. This is called as butyric acid obtained from butter. 4 carbon atoms are connected in straight chain. That's why name is N-butyric acid obtained from butter. Then CH3, CH3 branch type is there. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom again. That means again it is butyric acid. But here branching is at second number. That means isobutyric acid. So first one is N-butyric acid. Second is isobutyric acid. Source is butter. That's why name is butyric acid. Now they are chain isomers of each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That means they are different in the length of chain, but they are not different in the length of. They are not different in the functional group position. COH first, COH first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means they are chain isomers. Then CH3, CH2, 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 COH. 5 carbon atoms. Source is aloe vera, as we have seen in the aldehyde part, valeraldehyde. In the same manner, this is acid. That's why it is called as N-valeric acid, obtained from valerian roots. That's why name is valeric acid. So this is about the common names. Suppose 6 carbon atoms are there, then it is called as N-caproic acid, obtained from milk of capra goat. Then their IUPAC system, how their IUPAC nomenclature is there. In IUPAC system, suffix E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid. That means IUPAC name is given in the form of alkane. That E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid, like this, OIC acid. That's why their IUPAC names are given as alkanoic acid, simply by observing the number of carbon atom. See here, common name is formic acid, HCOH. IUPAC name, only one carbon atom is there, that means methane. Now E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid. That's why IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Formic acid has IUPAC name methanoic acid. Then second, 1, 2 carbon atoms are there, that means ethane. Again E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid, that means ethanoic acid. Then third, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are there, that means source के हिसाब से propionic acid, but alkane के हिसाब से propane. Now E is replaced by OIC acid, that's why name is propanoic acid. Common is propionic, IUPAC is propanoic. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, that means butane. Again E is replaced by OIC acid, that's why name is butanoic acid. Common butyric, IUPAC butanoic. Then 1, 2, 3, second one methyl group छूटा है, that's why 2 methyl. Then 1, 2, 3 propanoic acid. Alkane में propane आएगा 3 कार्बन. Now E is replaced by, according to our rule, OIC acid. That's why name is 2 methyl propanoic acid. Then see here next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon pentane. That means E is again replaced by OIC acid. Therefore name is pentanoic acid, like this. Then see this one is aromatic ring and COH. That means benzoic acid. Common IUPAC name can be considered as benzoic acid or simply considered as 1-phenyl methanoic acid. First number carbon C6H5 to phenyl methanoic acid or 1-phenyl methanoic acid. Then COOH and OH. Commonly it is called as salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. COOH, COH. This is called as phthalic acid. Which acid? Phthalic acid. Benzene ring, COH. 2 COH groups are there. Then phthalic acid. And suppose 2 COH directly present, then it is called as oxalic acid. Generally used in detergents to remove dirt part. Oxalic acid. COH, COH. Then COOH and CH3. Toluic acid. As we know, benzene ring CH3 toluene and benzene ring CH3 and COH, then it is called as toluic acid. Then this is citric acid present in the citrus fruits like lemon, orange, sweet lime, etc. So this is citric acid. CH2COH, then C, then again last CH2COH and middle C consists of OH and COH group. So this is about the aromatic type of compounds. Salicylic acid having IUPAC name 1, 2 hydroxy, yes, 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. Phthalic acid has IUPAC name benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1, 2 dicarboxylic acid. Like this. Then 2 methyl 1, 2. So IUPAC name 2 methyl benzoic acid. Then 1, 2 carbon atoms are there, that means ethane. Now E is replaced by OIC acid, but only in case of mono substituent. Di में E replace नहीं होता है, इसलिए ethane 1, 2 dioic acid. ethane 1, 2 दो COH है, इसलिए OIC एसिड के पहले क्या लगा? डाई. मतलब कौन से नंबर पर है वो भी नंबर 1, 2. तो इथेन का E कब रिप्लेस होता था? अगर वो मोनो है. बट इन केस ऑफ डाई ट्राई E remain as it is. That's why total alkane 1, 2. That means ethane 1, 2 dioic acid, like this. Then citric acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atom. Third पर OH छूट गया, 3 hydroxy. Third पर COH, 3 carboxyl. Then pentane 5, and that is pentane. Again E is not replaced because more than one COH groups are present. Pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. तीन है पर एक का अपन ने इधर कवर कर लिया थर्ड नंबर पर, इसलिए टाई दिखेगा यहाँ पर. So this is about the carboxylic acid. Now carboxylic acids are the functional isomers of esters. Esters and carboxylic acids, they are called as functional isomers of ester. Esters are obtained from carboxylic acid. As we know, carboxylic acid RC single bond, C double bond, O single bond, OH. Simply hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by alkyl group. That time we get R single bond C double bond O single bond R, and this is called as ester. That means esters are alkyl derivative of carboxylic acids. Esters are alkyl derivative. Which derivative? We are adding alkyl group. That's why alkyl derivative of which one? Carboxylic acid. In which hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid is replaced by what? Yes, replaced by alkyl group. R से replace कर रहे हैं अपन, that means replaced by alkyl group. So this is ester. Ester and carboxylic acid, they are functional isomers of each other. How esters names are given? First, in common name, ऑक्सीजन को जो अटैच है वो पहले लिखना है अल्काइल ग्रुप, कॉमन आईयूपीएसी दोनों में. उसके बाद में जो एसिड से वो बना है, दैट एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय एटीई, कॉमन नेम ऑफ एस्टर्स. फर्स्ट, अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच टू ऑक्सीजन, उसको लिखना है. आईयूपीएसी में भी सेम रूल है. फर्स्ट रूल, अल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच टू द ऑक्सीजन, उसको लिखना है. देन कॉमन में देखना है कि कौन से एसिड से उसको बनाया गया है, वेदर इट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम फॉर्मिक एसिड, एसिटिक एसिड, प्रोपियोनिक एसिड, ब्यूटाइलिक एसिड, लाइक दिस. देन फाइनली कॉमन नेम ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय, यस, कॉमन नेम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, IC acid is replaced by ATE, and here by counting the number of carbon, alkene is considered in IUPAC system. Alkane, lastly E of alkane is replaced by OATE. This E is replaced by OATE. That means alkyl alkanoid. IUPAC format is given in the form of alkyl alkanoid, like this. For example, see here, HC double bond OCH2. Let us consider common name first. कॉमन आईयूपीएसी दोनों में पहला रूल क्या है? ऑक्सीजन को जो अटैच है उसका नाम पहले लिखना है. ऑक्सीजन को कौन सा ग्रुप अटैच है? CH3, दैट मींस मिथाइल. ठीक है. फिर ये कौन सा एसिड से बना है वो देखो. अभी अपन ने पढ़े हैं HCOOH, कौन सा एसिड है? फॉर्मिक एसिड. HCOOH रहता था तो फॉर्मिक एसिड. H को किससे रिप्लेस किया है? मिथाइल. उसको तो अपन ने लिखा ही है. अब कौन सा एसिड से था वो? फॉर्मिक एसिड, राइट. फॉर्मिक एसिड का IC एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय, किससे रिप्लेस करना है? ATE. IC एसिड हटा दो, ATE, दैट मींस फॉर्मेट, एसिटेट, प्रोपियोनेट, ब्यूटेरेट, लाइक दिस. ओके. देन IUPAC, अल्काइल अल्कानोइड, ऑक्सीजन को जो अटैच है वो मिथाइल, देयरफॉर पहला नाम वैसे ही आएगा मिथाइल. उसके बाद में वन कार्बन एटम है तो E इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय OAT, मीथेन. E is replaced by OATE, that means methanoid. So IUPAC name is methyl methanoid. CH3 C double bond O C2H5. Suppose this is ester, C double bond OO. This is functional group. Ester का single bond C double bond O single bond O. This is functional group. Oxygen को attach ethyl group. That's my first name, ethyl. CH3COOH अगर रहता तो कौन सा एसिड रहता था? एसिटिक एसिड. अगेन IC एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ATE, दैट्स व्हाई नेम इज एसिटेट, कॉमन. IUPAC में अगेन ऑक्सीजन को जो अटैच है वो पहले, दैट मींस इथाइल. देन उसके बाद में 1 2 कार्बन आइटम्स आर देयर, दैट मींस इथेन. E is replaced by OATE. कॉमन इज इथाइल एसिटेट, IUPAC इज इथाइल इथानोइड. C6H5 C double bond O CH3. Aromatic compound C6H5, that means benzene ring. You can write like this, or C6H5 is also right. Methyl group is there. Then benzene ring C1, that means benzoate. Common or IUPAC name. Aromatic के वैसे common IUPAC से ही रहता है, तो methyl benzoate. Now this methyl formate and acetic acid, they are functional isomer. CHC double bond O CH3 and CH3 COOH. They are functional isomers. How they are functional isomers? Since they have same molecular formula, C2H4O2, दोनों का सेम फॉर्मूला है. इन जनरल दे हैव जनरल फॉर्मूला CnH2nO2. Carboxylic acid as well as esters have general formula CnH2nO2. Here 2 carbon, 1 2, again 1 2, hydrogen 4, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 1 4, oxygen 2 1 2 1 2. That means they have same molecular formula but different functional group in their structure. Here functional group is single bond C double bond O single bond O, ester group, and here functional group is single bond C double bond O single bond OH, COOH functional group, and here C double bond O single bond O functional group. Functional group is different, that's why they are functional isomers of each other. Similarly, see here ethyl acetate 2 3 4 कार्बन एटम के साथ में, दैट मींस n-butyric और isobutyric एसिड के साथ में वो फंक्शनल आइसोमर रहेगा. सो दिस इज अबाउट ईस्टर. गॉट इट? यू कैन राइट नेम ऑफ ईस्टर. CH, वन मोर एग्जांपल, CH2 CH2 CH2. ऑक्सीजन को कौन सा ग्रुप है? 1 2 3, दैट मींस n प्रोपाइल. 3 कार्बन एटम है, दैट मींस n प्रोपाइल. 1 2 3 मतलब प्रोपियोनिक एसिड. IC एसिड इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ATP मतलब प्रोपियोनेट. N प्रोपाइल प्रोपियोनेट कॉमन. IUPAC प्रोपाइल. You may write 1 propyl. Again 1 2 3 propane. E of alkane is replaced by O8PP. That means common name is N-propyl propionate. IUPAC name is propyl propanoate. Got it? So this is about carboxylic acids and ester. Next part we will continue in the next video. Thank you.